What's up everyone, so today's video would be going to be on the recipe of the drink which I drink daily before going to sleep, around 20 to 40 minutes before sleep. So the main purpose of having this drink is to reduce the inflammation in my body, to enhance my muscular recovery and to increase the quality of my sleep. As you already know, the sleep is the most important supplement which we can get for free. And without getting a quality sleep, it's very difficult to maintain the intensity with our workouts.
Check the facts. Man, I'm pretty.
So with this recipe, the combination of each of these ingredients plays an important role, and I have also given the research studies with each of these ingredients and why it's important to combine these ingredients so as to get the benefits of each of the particular ingredients that we are using in this particular recipe. So let's see the different ingredients which is required to make this drink and how to prepare it. Now with this drink, I also have my ashwagandha tablets. You can also combine ashwagandha powder with this drink and then have it, as ashwagandha also helps in the muscular recovery and to enhance your sleep quality. And if you want to know more about ashwagandha, then I have already made a video. You can check the link in my description. So I will have this drink now, and you also try it and see how it works for you by at least having it for 8 to 12 weeks consistently. I will enjoy the rest of the drink later, and if you found this video valuable, then like this video, share with everyone and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with more such workout and nutrition based videos. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com, where we provide evidence based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.